We will be creating a simple, easy to follow floor pattern in this tutorial. We are using Blender 2.93, but you can use any version you like. Delete the default cube. Add plane and change size to 12 meters. Add two modifiers: subdivision and wireframe. Change subdivision to simple and set levels to 3. Uncheck replace original and wireframe. Change viewport shading to material preview mode. Go to Material Properties tab and select the existing material. We will use this for the floor. Adjust properties as you like. You can create a new material if you do not have an existing one. Add a material slot and create a new material. We will use this for the floor trims. Go back to the Modifier tab and make sure to set Material Offset to 1. This will make sure the edges are using the trim material we just created. Adjust material settings until you like what you see. Next, we will make some decorations to be placed where edges meet. To start, add a mesh circle. Set vertices to 12 and radius to 0.1. Set fill type as triangle fan. Switch to edit mode. Click on the center vertex and pull it slightly up. Go to the Material tab and select Trim material we had created earlier. Switch to Object mode and add a subdivision modifier. Set levels to 2. Right-click and select Shade Smooth. See if you like it this way. I am going to switch back to Shade Flat. Add an array modifier. Uncheck Relative Offset. Check Constant Offset and adjust X until the duplicate mesh created is just over the next crosspoint. Move the mesh so it will be on left bottom corner. Increment the count so we fill up the bottom row. Duplicate the modifier and change the constant offset from X to Y. Now we have the grid filled just right. Let's now adjust the mesh so we can try out different patterns. Switch to Edit mode. Invert the current selection. Use Select menu to use Check or Deselect. This will select the alternative vertices. Use S to scale and adjust as you like. Now we have a floor pattern ready for further use. Lastly, I am going to do some adjustments to the floor material, add some simple meshes, and do some renders. This concludes our tutorial. Please continue following if you would like to see how I arrived at the final render.